Listen, the secret isn't just in lotions, it's in body oils. I'm not talking about those greasy, heavy oils that just sit on your skin. I'm talking about oils that will lighten, brighten, and give you that rich, radiant glow without making you look oily. In fact, these body oils will lighten and glow your skin even without using lotion.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. See, most people think body oils are just for moisture, but did you know that the right body oils can enhance your skin tone, fade your dark spots, and give your skin that natural glow up? In fact, some of those body oils I'm about to show you guys work better than most of your expensive body lotions, only if you're using the right one. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 best lightening body oils that will transform your skin and give you that even toned complexion. Don't worry, I'm also going to be showing you how to use them for maximum result. Now, before we dive right into today's video, let me know in the comment section if you're a lotion person or an oil person. Drop that comment now before you start watching. I bet you will be team body oil at the end of today's video. Starting off strong, the first lightening body oil I have for you guys is this Action Glow oil. I love this one with carrots. It actually comes in different variants, but this particular one is actually the one I've been using. So this is one of the best lightening body oil I feel everyone should have in 2025 if you're hoping to achieve a radiant, even toned, glowing skin. If you want your skin to be popping and glowing, you definitely need to get this Action Glow oil. It works like magic. This particular body oil contains amazing ingredients like carrots in form of beta carotene, and it also have different antioxidants like vitamin E, flavonoids, and it has glycolic acid and citric acid and propylene glycol. This particular body oil is amazing. It's packed with different amazing ingredients, and that's why I really love it. It's going to blend your skin, give you a beautiful, radiant skin. In fact, this is one body oil you can use without using a body lotion, and it's going to lighten up your skin and give you that even toned, glowing skin. I've been using this body oil since January, and guys, the amount of compliments I've been getting on my skin have been overwhelming. Like, this is an amazing body oil, and I love the fact that it's so moisturizing on the skin, and at the same time is going to give you a radiant, youthful glow. Like, it's a body oil that will diminish your wrinkles, your fine lines, and give you a youthful, glowing skin. Your skin is going to look all smooth. And one thing I really love about this body oil is the fact that you can apply it on your skin, and it's not just going to sit on your skin. It's going to penetrate deeply into your skin. It's lightweight, and the application is seamless. If you want an effortlessly glowing skin, like you want your glow to be blinded, this particular body oil is definitely an amazing oil. I'll recommend you add in your skincare routine. You're definitely going to love it. If you want to see or get the best results out of it, just apply it immediately you come out from the shower. Next up on my list is this Skeenpoint Glow Booster Lightening Body Oil, and this is the body oil right here, and this is the body oil right here. This is another good lightening body oil. It's lightweight and is going to help fade your dark spots, even out your skin. It contains amazing ingredients such as almond oil, grapeseed oil, saffron extract, alpha arbutin, kojic acid, and it equally contains SPF 30, although I'll still recommend you use a sunscreen when using it. This particular body oil is going to diminish your dark spots. The alpha arbutin and kojic acid in it alone is going to gradually fade your pigmentation, brighten up your skin, and give you a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you really want a fair, beautiful, glowing skin, or you just want your skin to look all radiant, smooth, spotless and glowing, then you can get this particular Skeenpoint oil. It's going to even out your skin, fade your dark spots. If you really want a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin, like you want your skin to look all bright and glowy, then you can pair this with a good body lotion, or you can even use it on its own, and your skin would definitely have you to thank for it, because your skin would definitely be glowing. Now, the next or third body oil on my list is the Vet Whitening body oil. Of course, if you are an OG here, you definitely know this particular body oil, because it's one body oil I've often been recommending on here. It's a good brightening body oil that will lighten and glow your skin. It have the one formulated for stretch marks, and it equally have this particular one that is formulated to help lighten up your skin, blend your skin tone, and even out your complexion. If you need a body oil that will even out your skin, or that you can use without using a body lotion, then this particular body oil might be something you might want to lay your hands on. Any of these three body oils I've shown you guys can be used with or without a body lotion, and they will still get the job done. Next up on my list is this Dr. Meinaier Tumeric body oil. This particular body oil, I actually got to know about it through a friend of mine. She went to everyday supermarket and she saw this particular body oil, and she was like, Judith, can I get it? So I asked to see the ingredient list, and guys, she got this particular body oil around December at the cost of 3,000 naira. And within 2 weeks of consistently using it, I think it was the first week of January, she called me on video call to show me the effect of the body oil on her skin. She paired it with the Vaseline body lotion, and her skin was looking all bright, beautiful, lighter and glowing. If you want an even skin tone, like you want to correct all the discolorations on your skin, this is one of the nicest body oil that is super affordable that you can use on your skin to achieve a beautiful, well blended looking skin tone. It works like magic. It contains turmeric and is a good repair and correcting body oil. So if you're looking to repair your skin, or any form of uneven skin tone you might have on your skin, then this right here might be the best oil for you. Moving on is this Fair and White So White body oil. This is one body oil I have personally used. I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. It will brighten, lighten, tone and glow your skin. If you want to have a radiant, beautiful, glowing complexion, like you want to be turning necks when you're passing around, this Fair and White body oil is going to do the talking for you. It's a really nice body oil, and it will even out your skin tone. The fragrance is equally super amazing. It's one of the best body oil I've ever used. So if you're looking to lighten up your skin and achieve an even tone, glowing complexion, you can cop this particular body oil. It's suitable for all skin types, and it's going to give you a radiant, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, another best lightening body oil you need to have in your skincare routine is the Soft 7 Whitening body oil. See, this particular body oil contains turmeric oil. It's not a whitening body oil like written on the body. Most of these body oils does not whiten the skin. It's only going to help gradually brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone, blend your discoloration, even out your dark knuckles, and reduce any form of pigmentation you may have with consistent usage. So if you're looking to tone up your skin and brighten up your complexion, then get this particular one. It's equally lightweight and is going to even out your skin. It's also affordable, so you can add it in your skincare routine if you're looking for a good lightening body oil that you can use. Another body oil that I really love is this Veetgold Alpha Arbutin body oil. Do we even need to say much about this particular body oil? If you have used this body oil, you will definitely understand why I love it so much. It's one of the best body oil that is going to deal with your pigmentation, your uneven skin tone, and give you a blended looking skin. If you battle with discolorations, dark knuckles, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation, this particular Veetgold Alpha Arbutin body oil is gradually going to clear all of that out and give you a uniform skin tone from your head down to your toe. It's one of my favorite body oils to use if you're looking to achieve an even tone glowing skin. You can choose to get the small size or the big bottle depending on what you can afford. So this is a really nice lightening body oil that you might want to use or add in your skincare routine to have your skin glowing and popping. Now, another body oil I'm going to be plugging you guys to is this Moroccan Argan 6-in-1 Glutathione body oil. See, a lot of people don't know about this particular body oil. Like, it comes in different variants, and a lot of people are familiar with the niacinamide, the turmeric, and all of that. But you see this particular one with glutathione. This is a hidden gem. It's not yet viral and it's actually affordable. It works wonders on the skin. This is one body oil that will transform your skin, give you a uniform, even toned complexion. Like, if you want your skin to look all smooth, soft, radiant, spotless, and glowing, like you have a fair skin tone and you want to lighten up your complexion without using any body lotion, girl, go cop this particular body oil. You're going to come back with amazing results on your skin. It will even out your complexion, glow your skin, and give you a youthful skin as well. If you want your skin to be shining and popping without you looking all greasy and oily, then this right here is for you. It will equally clear your dark spots. So if you see it, just cop it, and you will love it. Another body oil I have for you guys is this Dr. Davey Papaya body oil. Of course, a lot of you are familiar with this particular one. I actually chose to add this to this list because it's affordable, and I know I have a lot of students watching me that are on a budget. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a good lightening body oil that will glow your skin, then this right here is going to do the job. It's so moisturizing on the skin. Although the texture is a bit different from the other oils I've already mentioned, but this right here is equally going to brighten and glow up your skin. So just pair it with a good lightening body lotion if you're looking to lighten up your skin with. Now, and the last but not the least body oil I have for you guys is this Osiris Recovery body oil. I know. This is one body oil I have equally used. Like, I used this a long time ago, but it actually got scarce. This body oil works amazingly well on the skin. It's super affordable. At the time I was using it, it was around 1,200 or 1,500. The original is going to clear your skin, even out your pigmentation, give you a uniform glowing skin tone. Like, this is one of the amazing body oils out there that a lot of people are not yet familiar with. It's going to give you a radiant, glowing skin. So if your goal is to have that even toned and attractive looking skin, just get this particular body oil. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. A fair skin, dark skin, chocolate skin can actually use it because it's just a good blending body oil that gets the job done. How do you use all those lightening body oils to get the best result? First, you want to make sure you are applying your body oil on a damp skin, not when your skin is dry. That way, your body oil is going to get easily absorbed into your skin. These body oils are super effective and they are lightweight. This particular one is just like water, so it's going to deeply absorb into your skin, and it helps to even out your skin as well. So when you're applying them, make sure you're putting it when your skin is. Now, if you want to intensify the lightening effect you'll be getting from this lightening body oils, you need to pair them with a good body lotion. In as much as you can use them without a body lotion, if you really want to intensify the results, just pair them with a good body lotion and you'll have your skin looking all lighter and glowing. Now, let me know which of those body oils you've tried out or you'll be trying out in the comment section. I hope today's video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.